Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 8. The subject is maths, the chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is rational numbers. At the same time, I want to remind you the definition of the rational numbers. The rational numbers are the numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are the integers and q should not be equals to 0. This is a definition of rational numbers. So as we have completed the exercise 1.1 and we have started the exercise 1.2 and we have completed the questions up to question number 3. So we will start question number 4, in which we have to find 10 rational numbers between -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Find 10 rational numbers between -2 upon 5 and 1 by 2. What we will do? We will write -2 upon 5 here and we will write 1 upon 2 here. So first of all we are supposed to make the q. This is p, downwards is q. Here this is p is 1, q is 2. We are supposed to make the q same. How we will make the q same? We can multiply by any number. So here we are multiplying by 20. 20 से इधर multiply करेंगे. We are supposed to multiply both p as well as q by the same number. यहाँ पे 20 से multiply करेंगे, 25 जा 100. Similarly here, by which number we are supposed to multiply to get 100 downwards? We will multiply by 50. So this will become 100. But keep in mind here this time we are multiplying by 20 p as well as q, so that the value should not change. Value change नहीं होगी. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? 50 से ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई किया, 50 से नीचे मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो ये भी हमारा वैल्यू 1/2 ही रहेगी. वी कैन चेक. सो दिस विल बी 50 अपॉन 100. 0 cancel out 0 and we can reduce to the lowest term. We will get 1/2. Means the value is still same. That is 1 upon 2. What is the benefit of that? Now we can write downwards. Minus 22 is 40 upon 100. This side it is 50 is 50 upon 52 is 100. We are supposed to write the 10 rational numbers between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The main thing is that the value of q will be same in all the numbers, 100. But the value of p will be different because we have to find the different rational numbers between -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. मीन्स इससे हमारा बड़ा होना चाहिए और 50 upon 100 से छोटा होना चाहिए. सो -40 से बड़ा कोई भी हो सकता है. इधर हम चलेंगे -39. -41 नहीं लिखेंगे. वी आर सपोज टू कीप इन अवर माइंड दैट नो. यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर सपोज टू कीप इन माइंड दैट नंबर 9. This is 0. Then -1, -2, -3. और सपोज हमारा होता है -40, -41. तो यहाँ से -41 हमारा -40 से बड़ा नहीं है. -41 हमारा -41 -40 से छोटा है. बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू प्रीवियसली द नंबर्स लाइंग ऑन द नंबर लाइन to the left hand side will be smaller to the number that is lying on the right hand side. Means इधर हम क्या लिखेंगे? -39 because -39 will be this side. -39 9 on the right hand side of minus 40. So here that's why it will come minus 39 or minus 38, minus 37, minus 36, minus 35, minus 34, minus 33, minus 32, minus 31, minus 30. So this is the answer, or there can be many answers. Why? Because many numbers are there in between minus 40 and 50. If we want the positive numbers, then we can take the positive number. Suppose from this side we can start. 50 से छोटा क्या होता है? 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41 and 40. So this is not the same. This is plus 40 upon 100. This is minus 40 upon 100. So there can be many answers to this question, because as we know that there are infinite number of rational numbers between any two given rational number. दो rational numbers के बीच में infinite number, कुछ countless numbers can be there. So our answer can be different. For the different students, they are using a different method. So I give you two examples. One, in the one we find the negative rational numbers between these two numbers, and in this we found that the positive rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So like this we are supposed to proceed. All the questions are like that. In question number 5 we have to find 5 rational numbers between, and in the question number 6 again we have to find 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Greater than minus 2 means on the right hand side, on the number line to minus 2. That will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or directly we can say 100, 101, 102, because these all numbers are lying on the right hand side of minus 2 on the number line. So I think that today you can complete that exercise 1.2. At the same time our chapter will also be over, so afterwards we will provide you the worksheet maybe on Monday, because tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is on Saturday and Sunday, there will be no online classes as per guidelines of CBSE and Supreme Court. According to a guideline, the online classes can be conducted for 5 days per week, means any 5 days, but we have decided from Monday to Friday. So today is Friday, so tomorrow Saturday, and day after tomorrow, that is Sunday. On Saturday, Sunday there will be no online classes. At the same time, you are supposed to wrap up the chapter, means you are supposed to solve each and every question of these two exercises, exercise 1.1 and 1.2. After completing the homework, you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.